Good morning. I am ashore in Queensland. It's day 44 of Doxie and I sailing to Queensland, and we've done that bit. Yeah, obviously it's not the end of the trip, nowhere near, but just the beginning. So finally made the leap from New South Wales to Queensland, which certainly was a leap. But yeah, it's good to have it behind me. Doxie's out there somewhere. As you can probably tell, I'm still very bleary-eyed. I'm still a day behind in my sleep, but at least I've had some now. So just going for a wander here, just going to move the legs around a bit and yeah, try and start the day. I'm not quite sure what the day is going to bring, but one of my first projects obviously is to try and resolve the power problems I have. So I'll be getting on the net and seeing what's around. Anyway, let's see what the day brings, shall we? Yeah, it's the strangest thing. Yesterday afternoon and last evening, there's this cruiser, which probably was about 3 or 4 boats ahead of me in the anchor line, and there were dogs on it just barking and barking, and big dogs too by the sounds, like German Shepherds and stuff by the sounds of them. And now this morning I see the boat on the sand on its side here, and at least I can see 2 people. I was about to walk around to see if the dogs were okay. There's 2 people there, so hopefully all's good, but yeah, strange situation. Right, so I've just walked across the little isthmus, or whatever you want to call it, from Bums Bay, and now back in the main channel where we came in yesterday, that's Southport. I'm not quite sure what all these places are called, but it's not cold like it has been. Hopefully that's something from now on. It's not sunny either, but we're supposed to get into the 20s today, so I'm quite happy with that. Okay, exciting things like the dishes and stuff. It's a bit like cleaning your car after a long road trip. It's just a mess everywhere. So this is a little start. So the other thing I got started on and done is I've just rigged up a bridle, basically for my anchor, because it's chain. It just acts as a bit of a shock absorber. It also holds the chain down lower, so the angle to the anchor is less. And yes, the next job is going to be to clean the decks. This is part of the mud that was left after Iluka, and it's everywhere because it all sort of and stuff. Oh, the other thing that I had information out there on the night side, and this guy broke loose. I think that should be a fairly easy fix. Okay, we've swabbed the decks. You feel much better about that now. Pretty clean. Iluka's now in Bums Bay, but that's okay. Right, just letting everything dry now. Even got underneath the grates and gave that a go. It'll get a full freshwater clean when I get to Brisbane, where I should think I'll be going on a marina. So we'll get the old fresh water onto it, which will be much better, but this is good for now. Okay, so I promised I'd take you guys to the high points. Today it's going to be the laundry and the trash can and, yeah, just getting things back to normal. So while I'm feeling like a dog's breakfast anyway, I might as well get some things done. So I'm going to head ashore and go to my favourite laundromat. I think it's in Main Beach. I think that's what that suburb is called. So here I am with my laundry bag on my back. The SeaWorld Narrow Resort here. I'm just walking to the road to get a bike. Actually, I must have been desperate for a shower last year, because when I was here, somebody left the gate open by the pool, and I thought, why not? So I went in and had a glorious hot shower by the pool, and then got the hell out of there. Yeah, that's me doing the domestic stuff, getting it out of the road. So yeah, I came here on a line bike. I forgot to take video of that. I'm going to go home that way, so maybe I'll remember. I'm here in Yeah, don't know what suburb this is. Main Beach, I guess, but it's a bit expensive looking, as in a bit like Double Bay in Sydney, I think. So I don't think we'll bother with any of the eateries and stuff. They all look a bit OTT, you might say. Anyway, forgot to bring a book to read, silly me. So yeah, I'll just go for a wander, maybe. Yeah, so this is the main street of wherever I am. It's funny, isn't it? When they have street signs, they always tell you the side streets. They don't tell you the main street. It's like, you should know that already. Anyway, not bad here. Look at that contrast with that grey cloud behind the white buildings. Hopefully whatever that is holds off for a while. But might just have a little wander around. Right, I'm not sure if I did my time calculations very well, but I've now got to find a bike, which I can see now, and get myself back. Preferably before it gets dark. So, not long to go. One of these guys. Well, it's not quite dark yet. My dinghy should be down here, amongst all these, well, I was going to say Hawaiian canoes, but they're actually made in Tahiti, so Tahitian canoes. Right, back we go. Well, hi there, it's another day ended, and yes, I got back just as it got dark, so yeah, I guess I hadn't, well, yeah, I always push it to the limit, so I did, and I've now got laundry done and a few other bits and pieces done around the boat. So on a day where I thought, you know, I should just go back to bed and sleep, I thought, no, push through, get a few things done, and tomorrow, when I'm feeling a little bit more human again, cross fingers, at least I'll say to myself, I actually got some things done, at least, even though I was feeling crappy. So anyway, that's my first day. I've also put out some feelers for some quotes for my battery situation, and how I can modernize it and, you know, future-proof it a bit. So I'm waiting for those to come back. It's the weekend tomorrow, so I'm guessing probably won't hear anything until next week. So anyway, I'm here for the meantime. And yeah, maybe I'll go and do some exploring and sightseeing tomorrow, just for something different. Anyway, thank you for tolerating, thank you for watching, and if you haven't, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for everything, guys. This is Dawn Raider, out.
Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxie. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.